Friends, we know that without the good handwriting, knowledge of English is hard. A beautiful mind is shown by the beautiful writing. During lockdown caused by corona, we have to improve our writing because we already know that in every curse there is a disguised blessing. So during this negative energy, we have to turn it into positive energy and we have to develop our handwriting. Now first we shall learn to write how to write in cursive writing small letters. Every small letter is written in the middle of the line. In the middle. C. D. No two lines. You will keep in your mind no two lines. E. F. Very thin, not very big, enlarged. Z. We write in two lines. So if this line comes under the lines, we will learn that this is G. H. I. J. K. L. L two lines. H two lines. F two lines. D single line. B two lines. M. N. O. Upwards. This is athwart. This is called athwart, linking line. This athwart joins the another letter. This is the purpose of this athwart. This is called athwart or linking line. P. Q. A small letter in middle two lines. R. First big and then this is small. This is longer, this is smaller. S. Athwart, linking line. T. Keep in your mind the T has a single line and it will be cut here, not here. This is wrong. Here, T. U. V. W. All the three lines are melted together. X. Y. In the last four lines, we write in two lines. If this line comes under, it means this is Y. Z. Okay, and this is how we have to write small letters. Now we learn to write a capital letter as well as a small letter. Suppose that A capital letter is written in first three lines. Like this. All L two lines, T single line, all that not here, just above the line. H double line, T single line, all that glitters. Glitters. Always keep in mind T single line, L double line are higher and this part lower is not gold. Capital letter as well as small letter. Now B, capital B. Barking dogs seldom bite. Dogs seldom bite. T single line. Now C. Charity begins at home. single line. We have not to lift our hand until any word is finished. Now D. First three lines, capital letter. Diamonds. We must be careful. While writing D, there should be single line. Diamonds. Cut diamonds. Every otter praises as like this. His pot. Single line. Now F. Fortune. Favors the brave. T single line, H double line, Now G. G will come in all four lines. Guilty mind. D single line is always suspicious. We have not to lift our hand until the word is finished. H. Honesty. T single line is always the best policy. I. Innocent has T single line has nothing to fear. Now J. J in four lines. Juggler, always, L double line, takes the risk, T single line, So dear Bhaiya Bans, I want to give you message that bad writing corona, and by our effort we have to make our handwriting beautiful, attractive and enticing, because we well know that any skill doesn't come casually or carelessly. It comes by our own effort. A teacher only shows the way and the students goes the way. I have hinted you how to improve your handwriting. So during this curse of corona, we have to make our writing beautiful, and we have to turn the negativity into positivity. This is my message, and you have to write 2 pages daily in beautiful cursive handwriting, and bye bye to bad handwriting. Bad writing corona. And during this corona lockdown, we have to maintain corona cursive drive. We have started a drive, beautiful cursive drive. Okay, that's all. Thank you.